Good morning, student. This is the time for the question answer of the chapter number 2, microorganism friend and foe. Now we will continue from a very short answer type question. The first question of this chapter is, what is microbe? The answer is the tiny organisms around us which are so small that it is not possible to see them with the naked eyes. These are called microbes or microorganisms. Now, question number 2, where can we find microorganisms? The answer is microorganisms are present almost everywhere as they are um, ubiquitous on Earth, and their diversity and abundance and are determined by the biogeographical habitat they occupy. Biogeographical habitat they occupy. Microorganisms living just about everywhere in the soil, water, and air, in animals, plants, rocks, and even us. Now, question number 3, name a disease caused by a virus and bacteria. The disease caused by a virus is polio, and by bacteria is cholera. Now, question number 4, name the methods of food preservation is our home. Sorry, in our home. The answer is, among the oldest methods of preservation are drying, refrigeration, and fermentation. Modern methods include canning, pasteurization, freezing, irradiation, and the addition of chemicals. Now, question number 5, what are antibiotics? A medicine such as penicillin or its derivatives that inhibits the growth of or destroys microorganisms. Now, B, short answer type question. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease causing microorganism and is often made from weakened or killed forms of the microbe, its toxins, or one of its surface proteins. Now, question number 2, what are commensals? A commensals is an organism that uses food supplied in the internal or the external environment of the host without establishing a close association with the host, for instance by feeding on its tissues. Question number 3, how do microorganisms Now, question number 3, how do microorganisms help to clean environment? The microorganisms decompose dead organic wastes of plants and animals, converting them into simple substances. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby cleanse up the environment. Now, question number 4, what is meant by nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation is the process by which nitrogen is taken from its stable gas form in air and changes into other nitrogen compounds such as ammonia, nitrate, and nitrogen dioxide, useful for other chemical processes. It is an important part of the nitrogen cycle. Now, question number 5, why antibiotics should not be overused? Taking antibiotics too often or for the wrong reasons can change bacteria so much that antibiotics does not work against them. This is called bacterial resistance or antibiotic resistance. Some bacteria are now resistant to even the most powerful antibiotics available. Antibiotics resistance is a growing problem. Now, the C, long answer type question I will discuss in the next class. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone.